Hey guys and gals, welcome to Sweet Project Cars, a cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Today we are finishing up some of our last videos on prevention. This is a prevention video on keeping your paint the best you can possibly keep it. And if you've seen our other videos, take a look at these. And make sure you watch them, because what we're trying to do is help you to prevent situations with your vehicle and make them last longer so you can get more money out of them if you ever trade them in. This is on paint, and of course we have a great product that we're going to be using from them fantastic guys and gals at Lithium. You're going to love it. So what we're going to do is wash this rig up. It's dirty, pretty filthy, and we're going to show you a little trick here using the Adams and the no rinse, and I think you're going to love it. It works great and makes your job a lot easier. Now, this product right here is what we're going to use. It's called Afterwash, and as you see right here, we'll set it right here on the hood. Doesn't tip over, pretty steep hood. Alright, we set the bottle right there. You can see where it's setting, and then we'll check and see what happens after we wash it and then use the after wash. So let's get busy. I'll quickly wash this up, but what we're going to do is use the wash rags, wash mitts, and we're going to put a little bit of Adams on it and a little bit of no rinse. That way we can not have to use any buckets. It works really good. You'll love it because the no rinse will make sure that any of the dirt that's on there will not affect your washing. You won't have to do the 2-bucket system or anything. This is just a really, really simple way to do it. So let's get cracking. Take maybe a tablespoon of Adams on it. Maybe a little shy there. Take maybe 2 tablespoons of the no rinse. That's it right there. You're set to go. So this is your prevention series. We're going to wash this up in one fell swoop. I always say best thing you can do is don't do it in the rain. Right. Don't do it in the sun. And I'll do just half the vehicle for the video and the hood so you can see that. Alright, I lied to you. I did the whole vehicle. Now we'll rinse it off. This is the handiest spray wand in the world. Hey Julio, tell everybody where all the tools and products will be.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez, Jorge Johnson. And I'm telling you, a little bit of the Adams and a little bit of the Optima on top of that wash rag is the only way to go. It's so easy. And there's no chance of scratching when you're washing doing it that way. Now what I want you to do is go to the link that's in the description and read up on this after wash. You're really gonna be blown away. Now all we do is this. Take your after wash, and this is great for stacking. It has polymers and ceramic coating in it, so every time you use it, it gets better and better and better. And the next day after you do this, it will really shine and stuff will not stick to it. They're even saying that the washing of snowmobiles, the snow doesn't even stick to the top of it. Of course, down here in Florida, we don't have any snow, but the snow just falls right off. And the dirt in the top of my vehicles, a lot of them are flat on top, and the dirt and the leaves and stuff stain it. So this is going to work really good. But this is all you have to do, and it works on glass, plastic, chromed aluminum, all that. You just spray it on. While the vehicle's still wet and dry as you normally do. And then when you're done with all your towels, just run them through the washer. One time, you're good. Now after I've done that, all I do take my clean microfibers and buff it out. And if you have Galvano trim, you won't believe how well this stuff works on it. No spotting. The glass is going to just get clearer and clearer, and nothing can stick to this. That's the great part of it. And it's right in while you're drying your vehicle off, so it's really nothing different. You know what I mean? Well, let's go up and do the hood, and that's where we want to showcase what this stuff really does. And if you can keep your car cleaner longer, why not do it? All right, I'm going to walk in front of your camera here. Just spray it on. Do the headlights, the grill, everything. And it smells really good. I'm just drying as normal. We take our microfibers, buff it out. And your headlights will stay clear. And again, when you stack this stuff and you do it every time you wash, it gets stronger and stronger and even more protection to it. This is a great prevention video for your paint. Simple, and that's what the whole prevention series is about, is simple, keeping it simple. Nobody has a lot of time anymore. It's about 75 degrees here in Pensacola today. Look at that windshield, just gorgeous. Spotless, clean. And that polymers and the ceramic coating made this thing just slippery. You're protecting it, you're shining it, you're doing your wax job and everything all at one whack. And man, is that slippery. I can feel it already. And those headlights, look at that, they're beautiful. All right. Now let's see what that bottle does. Look at that. It will not stay up there even at the flatter part. There's my proof. Do this every time with this stuff right here. Every time you wash your vehicle, you've got to dry it anyhow. And guess what? When the worst times of scratching your vehicle is in the drying process. So with this stuff, it doesn't allow you to scratch the paint. And your glass will stay clear. You're putting a hydrophobic, hydroshomalaki finish on it. That's my word for it. But with the ceramic coating and the polymers in this stuff, it's just smooth as a baby's butt. Look at that. Even way up there. And you can't get it to stay. Well, there's the shine. Look at that. I don't think that car's ever shined that much. And you think it shines after you do it? Wait till the next day. Just gorgeous. All we got to do is the wheels and tires. And again, it gets better and better every single time you do it. GoPro, stop recording.